Hello everyone, it's Elaine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be creating some love themed cards using some Mama Elephant products. So just to show you what I'm going to be using today, I'm going to be using these Mama Elephant Little Bear Agenda stamps. I'm going to be using the big You Are Loved die, super cute, and the Circle Grid Creative Cuts cover plate, and the Whimsy Alphas dies. I'm going to be using the X and the O from this set. So that's everything we're going to be using, and I've got some really pretty pink cardstock here. I think it's called ballet slippers, but I'm not sure. I'll have it linked down in the description box below for you. So I've gone ahead and cut the circle grid twice, and I've also cut it from some just heavyweight white cardstock. We're going to be using this to add a little bit more colour to all those circles. So adding some post-it tape on the back of this, and that's just going to hold those circles in place while we do some ink blending. So off to the side there you can see I've got my Distress ink in Worn Lipstick, and I thought this would be nice just to add a bit more interest to each of those circles. Got my blending brush there, and I'm just going to lightly blend on some ink. I actually don't know whether I could have skipped this step, excuse me. Perhaps I could have done all of the splattering and then die cut the circles, but you can see for yourself at the end. I do think it gives a nice little bit of interest when the cards are finished. So I went ahead and ink blended some Worn Lipstick all over those circles, trying to focus most of the colour in the middle. Smush some of the ink on my glass mat. Brought in some water, and I'm adding some splatters to each of the circles, generously splattering that colour on. If you've watched my videos before, you'll know that I love to add a bit of splatter to add some interest. I'm going to do exactly the same over those two panels. These are A2 sized card panels. And I will be doing the same to the other panel as well. Next up, just wiped off that ink from my glass mat, and I'm coming in with this Winsor Newton white gouache. Going to smush a bit of that down onto my mat. Bring in some of that water again with a small paintbrush. And again, I'm going to be generously splattering that all over these circles. I did use quite a lot of water. I do get quite big splatters, but that's fine. I do want this to be seen. And I'm going to do exactly the same to my two circle panels there. Bring in that second one. And it's hard to see on camera with the white, but it really is quite pretty against those other pink splatters. I'm going to be doing my die cutting now. I've got some sparkle cardstock. This is Lawn Fawn, I believe. So I've cut them once. I've done the XO 3 times, and I've also cut some of those XOs from heavyweight white cardstock. I've also cut the You Are Loved from heavyweight white cardstock twice. So for the You Are Loved sentiment, I will actually have 3 layers of cardstock altogether to give a nice dimensional piece for the front of my card. So that will be a total of 3 layers. My XOXO letters are going to be 2 layers thick. So not quite as thick, but still gives some nice dimension on the front of the card. Just going ahead here, I have sped this up quite considerably. I wish I could create cards this quick, but I didn't think you'd want to watch me spend 20 minutes gluing my letters together. I'm just finishing up here with these last O. So I've got some really nice sparkly elements for the front of my card. Just set those aside for a moment. I'm going to be using some heavyweight white cardstock to create some A2 sized cards. And I've got them side folding, and I'm using some liquid adhesive to secure those down onto my card fronts. These are all perfectly dry now, so I'm not smearing any of my splatters. Just lining those up, press down securely. This glue dries really fast, so I have to work quite quick. So all finished on the fronts of the cards. Now I'm going to go ahead and secure those circles into the middle, again with some more liquid adhesive. Just pop a little bit of glue in the middles. Just finishing up on the second card panel. So my card fronts are all done, and I'm going to set them aside while I work on the really cute little bears. So I've got a selection here. I'm just going to show you just a few of the bears being coloured. So I'm using my E40 markers here for these. I've just got a little bit of post-it tape there, securing my bears down. I did cut these out with my silhouette. And I like to just put the darkest colour around the edge and then work my way inwards. Excuse my head on the glass mat. That's the only hazard of filming with a glass mat, trying to navigate getting my head out of all of the shots. So I really love how these colours blend together. I think they just give a really nice seamless blend. They seem to be quite easy to work with, these colours. And I think they work really well with the pinks and reds that I'm going to be using. So I'm coming in with a second layer of colour to really add some dimension and some depth of colour to these bears. I think in total I must have coloured about 10. And these don't take too long to colour because they're quite small. Now I'm coming in with one of my favourite pink colours. So I've got R85, R83 and R81. I use these pink colours quite a lot. I did forget to colour his paws, so I'm doing that there. Just adding a little bit of dimension to the envelopes with some C markers. Just around the edges to help them pop off the page. Just adding a little bit more R81 and 83 to the cheeks of the bears. Give them a little bit of a flush cheek. And there they are. How cute are they? I'm just colouring in this little heart speech bubble. Again, just some C markers for some shading around the edge. And again coming in with that R85, 83, 81 combination. I did just want to bring in another bear here because I will be using a red as well. So I'll be using my R37, 35 and 32. And that's the same red that I used on all of the other red elements on the card. So my bears are all finished, and I'm now going to start assembling all of the elements together. So I'm securing down my sentiments with some more liquid adhesive. Being quite generous because these are quite thick elements that need quite a lot of glue to help them stay stuck down. So the You Are Loved sentiment will be right in the centre of the card. And you could put a book on top of that to help it stick and stay flush. And now I'm doing the same with my XOXO. So I'm going to have 3 little sections. So that's the first one. When I'm happy, I will then press down securely. I'm going to have one on the opposite side in the middle. So you see the legs of the X, they do want to sort of tend to spring up but with a bit of perseverance, we'll get them to stay down. And then my final XO here in the bottom right. Get them lined up. Using liquid adhesive does give you that little bit of time to move things about. So there we go, my die cut letters and sentiments are all secured down. And I had already gone ahead and put some foam tape on the back of all those little bears. I'm just now taking the release paper off and securing them down. I had a little play about of some placement, and I took a picture on my phone. So I have got some idea of where I want these little bears to go. Because as you'll see, I am pressing down quite firmly, so I was quite happy with where I was going to be placing them. So there they are, super cute. And now just finishing up with my second card. And I think this is probably the last one. Oh no, I've got one more to go. I'm sure I've got one more to put on. And oh, the speech bubbles as well are going on. I put some tiny little bits of foam tape on the back of those as well. And I have got a couple of speech bubbles to add to this card as well. I really think these little elements that make the card a little bit extra special. Now going in with some white jelly roll pen. Now I'm going to put some little dots on the cheeks of my bears over the top of where I put those little sort of pink circles for the cheeks. Also going to put some on the balloons here, some little white highlights. Some little white highlights on the speech bubbles as well. I'm coming in with my Nuvo Aqua Shimmer pen to add some shimmer on some of the other elements on the little bears. Same on the other card. And once this dries, it is super sparkly. It's really pretty. And that finishes up these two loved themed cards using Mama Elephant products. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a like or drop me a comment, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Take care for now and have a great day. Bye bye.